Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to change the vertical text to become horizontal in Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can open this Adobe After Effects and you can go to this composition and click this new composition and click OK. Well guys, basically if you would like to create or switch the text from the vertical to become horizontal, so you can start to play with this type tool and you'll see it will usually only, or without I select it, it will usually show you the horizontal type tool. And where's the vertical one? So you can start to click and hold it, and you'll see there will be two options to create the text in the horizontal or vertically. And for example, I would start to create it from the vertical one, and here I will type the text. And you can also adjust the size over here like this. And if you'd like to make it into the horizontal, you can go back again to this type tool, click it and hold it, and click this horizontal type tool. And if you see the, let's say, the red notification or the warning here, so you can start to inactivate the caps lock. There you go. Don't worry guys. And after that you can continue to click or select the section and start to typing something here. For example, the design. And if you'd like to move it, so you can start to move this cursor until it will show you it's kind of the moving tool, and click it and hold it into this section. There you go. So if you'd like to switch the text from the vertical to become horizontal, so you can start to play with this type tool, click it and hold it, and you will find the two options, which is the horizontal and vertical tool. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tips and trick. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.